Hey everyone, how are you? My name is Kieran Hogg, and this is Review Hacks and Tips. Today we are going to be reviewing high ticket closing. This is a launch that is being done by Mohamed Boubaker on June 12th. So we're going to do a deep dive and see what are the benefits and some of the important things that you're going to learn from high ticket closing. Also, I've got a lot of great bonuses for you as well. We're going to go and look into those in detail. Also, Mohammed has bonuses as well. And we're going to explore what is high ticket closing and how it can help you. So I'll see you on the other side. Okay, hi everyone. So what is high ticket closing? Let's take a closer look. How much can you earn? All right, so here is your chance to make 50% of every sale paid out to you when you promote the high ticket closing. Okay, so let's look at a little bit closer and see what it is. So you want to join our referrals affiliate program and start earning money for every paid membership you send our way, their way. Simply create your account, share your affiliate link with friends and colleagues, or place your linking code into your website. So if you have a website, you're going to want to place your linking code in your website. And watch your account balance grow as your visitors become our members. Okay, so this is very much like autopilot. We're going to go into more detail about this. But first, I want to take you to my bonus page and show you what kind of bonuses you're going to have if this is a product that you want to purchase. So here is my first bonus. This is valued at $327. Okay, this is a hack to find hot traffic customers. So I'm going to show you steps that are going to take you to find hot traffic customers. What does that mean? That means customers that have clicked on a link before, they've shown an interest to buy, they have money, they are thinking about it, they've got something that interests them. These are people that you want to retarget. These are high probability customers. These are very different from cold customers. So this is going to walk you through how you can find these customers, and your probability for sales is much higher with this, okay? So this is really important. This is going to help your traffic and your sales a lot. Okay, my second bonus is valued at $247. Okay, and this is the launch jacking secret formula. So this has tons of awesome information inside. It's got step-by-step methods to show you the correct way to do launch jacking. Launch jacking, if it's done right, you can make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every day. These tips are going to get you set up. If you just follow what these have, you're going to be on your way to earning money all the time, every time you do this, okay? Bonus number 3, valued at $244, is proven steps for getting traffic and sales. So what I'm really trying to help you with with these bonuses is finding other ways to make traffic and sales. So if you do the high ticket closing, that's going to be one way, but you want to have multiple ways. You want to be making your money work for you. You want to be leveraging your time. So this is something else that's going to help you leverage your time, put it on autopilot. So proven steps for getting traffic and sales. This is going to help you figure out the key steps, step by step, and then once you've finished setting this up, you'll be making extra traffic and sales. Okay, my fourth and final bonus that I'll be offering is make your phone your money tree. Okay, so our phone goes with us everywhere now, right? So we can turn this into our own money tree. There's tutorials in here and step-by-step methodology that if you follow, it doesn't matter if you don't have your computer with you, if you're at the beach, on a mountain, anywhere you are, if you set this up, you can start making money on your phone. So even if you're out doing something fun, you're still making money. Sounds pretty awesome. This is valued at $267, okay? And to get these, all you're going to want to do is click on these blue rectangles here, these blue tabs, and it's going to take you over and it's going to look like this. So you can see if you just click on any of these, you can access it. So find hot traffic customers, launch tracking secret formula, all of them down here. And now guys, the vendor bonus, let me show you here. So even if you don't purchase this high ticket closing, if you just give your information, you're going to get a free ebook. Now you can choose which one you want. So book number 1 is how to get around the 7 most common online business roadblocks. This is from Mohamed. Number 2 is an ebook on Munch-tastic sales training, secrets of effective selling. Number 3, how to make 3 to 50 times the profit from your traffic. 4 reasons why most online entrepreneurs fail. Okay, so if you read this, you'll understand how to avoid those, obviously. Number 5, the massive video engagement. Okay, so you're going to get more traffic, more viewers if you're on a YouTube or other types of video platforms. Okay, so you can get one of these for free. Also, there's another vendor bonus that if you purchase is inside as well. So let's look a little bit more at what is high ticket closing. Okay, it says the process is very simple. Visitors click on a referral link that you shared with them or that you placed on your site or in an email, right? We know that. Now, the visitor's IP is logged and a cookie is placed in their browser for tracking purposes. Now the cookie is valid for 60 days, okay? So you've got a 60-day window where the people, if they decide to click on it within that 60 days, you're gonna get 50% of that purchase, okay? So the visitor browses their site, and if they decide to make an order and becomes a member, the order will be registered as a sale for you, and like I said, you get 50% commission, okay? Pretty great. Okay, let's look at it a little bit more here, okay? So what high ticket closing is going to teach you is how to sell high ticket items. Bigger priced, bigger, more extravagant, higher ticket sales, okay? So the beautiful thing about that is you don't need to sell as many to make a profit, as you know, okay? So it says, if you're going to make $10,000 per month, which one of the following scenarios is easier? Okay, so we could sell 1,000 copies at $10, or we could sell 5 things that are $2,000 each. Okay, well, if you could sell 5 things for $2,000, that sounds great. Okay, so they're going to teach you, Mohamed and his team are going to teach you how to do that. Okay. Okay, so let's look a little bit more at some of the features. We'll talk about the price and some of the key takeaways here. So we're going to go back to my bonus page, scroll down. Okay, so this launches on June 12th, all right? And so my bonuses here are going to be till June 14th. So you've got 3 days, about 3.5 days to claim these bonuses, okay? So here it is. The process is very simple. Yes, we talked about this, that anybody that clicks on your link, there is a 60-day window provided by that cookie. And if they decide to purchase in that 60 days, you get 50% of that commission. So let's look at the price here. So originally the price was $97, but if you buy through my link, if you buy through my channel, you're going to get it for $77 here, okay? So that's access to the powerful high ticket closing training modules, okay? So here are some more benefits that you'll be getting. How to close sales effectively with this amazing 6-step sales process. How to win hearts and minds of your potential clients. The APAC model, which they're going to go into detail about. How to overcome some of the most common objections heard ever. How to market to people with money. So we talked about hot traffic. That's why I included that bonus in with this because they're going to be complementing each other. How to market to people with hot money they'd gladly pay for, or beg or borrow or steal. How to position yourself as an authority expert in your field. That's very important. And much more. Okay? Also, guys, I'm going to show a quick video of Mohamed just kind of paraphrasing what this is.
One last time before you go. With what you have now, building a business that generates $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 per month is quite achievable. But if you plan to be in the business for the long haul, and you know someday you set your sights on bigger numbers like $20,000 a month, $50,000 per month, $100,000 per month even, how would you like to know the secret to get there faster? The answer is high ticket sales. Instead of peddling just low ticket offers around prices like $7, $50 and so on, you can step up your game and start selling high ticket. I'm talking about 500, 1,000, 2,000 sales and above. There's nothing wrong with selling low priced offers, for I believe there is a customer for every price point. But let me ask you a question. If you're going to make 10,000 per month, which of the following scenarios is easier? Scenario A, selling 1,000 copies of $10 products, or scenario B, find 5 clients and charge them $2,000 each. In both instances, you make the same amount of income. But notice that scenario A requires you more effort to find more customers. I can tell you, it's a lot easier to find few customers paying big sums than getting a horde of buyers paying lower prices. More often than not, the support is a headache, and at low prices, you attract customers that demand more for little. Not that there's anything wrong with selling low ticket offers, but think about it. If you're going to hit 10,000 this month, all you need is just to find 2 clients to pay you $5,000. And with just 2 clients, your headaches are a lot less. Of course, if you could have done it, you would have done it already, right? The ability to get people to pay you top dollar for premium fees you command is a jealously guarded secret, until now that is. So on this page, I'm announcing High Ticket Closing. This is the go-to master program for anyone serious about getting high-paying clients and skyrocket their coaching and consultation business. It's too long to list, but here's what you will learn. Change your core belief system and turn self-sabotaging limiting belief into something empowering. How to close sales effectively with this amazing 6-step sales process. How to win hearts and minds of your potential clients, the APAC Model. How to overcome some of the most common objections heard ever. How to market to people with money they'd be gladly pay or beg, borrow and steal to join you. How to position yourself as an authority expert in your field, and much more to be discovered in this training. Since this is about high ticket, it makes sense that I priced it as such. But because you're a new customer and you've been a great support, I'm willing to bend my rule a little bit. So only on this page, you can get high ticket closing at a special customer's price. I only ask you don't share this page with anyone else. This is strictly for you, so keep it to yourself. You can get access to my high-end training at a no-brainer investment. I imagine you rope in just 1 client and this will pay itself easy. So don't wait, don't delay, click on the button below and secure your instant access. Let's take your business to the next level right from the beginning.
Okay, everyone. So that was just Mohamed summarizing what I've already said as well. Okay, there's going to be lots more information in there for you to check out. And once again, I just want to say, if you are interested in high ticket closing, and if you like the bonuses that I'm offering, I would love it if you clicked on my link and purchased them through my affiliate link. And once again, I'll just go through the bonuses one more time. So find hot traffic customers. So this is also in complementation with Mohamed's hot traffic sales as well. So you're going to get 2 different ideas and you can merge them to really help find hot traffic customers. Okay, launch tracking formula. proven steps for getting traffic and sales, and bonus tutorial. Make your phone your money tree. Okay, guys? Okay, that wraps it up. I want to thank you for watching my review today on High Ticket Closing by Mohamed Boubaker. This launches on June 12th. And if you liked what you saw here, please like, subscribe, and comment on my channel, and I'll have more good stuff coming soon. Thank you very much.